It is a long time ago, in Mansar village, a blacksmith Ram Gopal lived. He had a large family to support, which he had to work day and night, many times. Like every day, before leaving for work, Ram Gopal asked his wife to pack his lunch box. When the wife brought the box, Ram Gopal said, "I will be late in coming today. Maybe I should come at night." Saying this, Ram Gopal left for his work. The way to work passed through a forest. As soon as Ram Gopal reached there, he heard some sound. As soon as Ram Gopal went a little closer, he saw that a monk was laughing while chanting the mantra of God. Surprised, Ram Gopal asked, "Are you okay?" Ram Gopal did not know that sadhu, but the sadhu immediately took his name and said, "Come Ram Gopal, son, I was waiting for you only. I am hungry, feed me something from your lunch box." Hearing his name from Baba, Ram Gopal was surprised. But he did not ask any questions, and straight away took out his food box and gave it to them. Within no time, Baba ate all Ram Gopal's food. After that the monk said, "Son, I have eaten all the food, what will you eat now?" Ram Gopal said, "No problem Baba, I am going to the market for work, so I will eat something there." Hearing this, the saint blessed Ram Gopal profusely, and gave him a hammer as a gift. Ram Gopal said, "Your blessings are enough. What will I do with this hammer? Keep it for yourself." The sage replied, "Son, this is not an ordinary hammer. This is the magical hammer, which my Guru gave me, and now I am giving it to you, because your heart is pure. Use it only for good works, and never give it to someone else." Having said this, that Baba disappeared from there. Ram Gopal, with a hammer in his hands, went to work in the market. Before making the tool, it came to his mind that today I will beat iron with this hammer. As soon as he hit the iron with a hammer, it became a straight tool. In the second blow, iron utensils were made. Ram Gopal understood that this was indeed a magical hammer. The one who hits the iron with the intention of making it, the iron becomes the same. Because of the magical hammer, Ram Gopal's work was finished quickly, and he took the magical hammer home with him. Similarly, every day, Ram Gopal would finish the work quickly with that hammer, and sometimes make more utensils and sell them to the people of the village. Gradually, the conditions at his home started getting better. One day, the village head came to his house and said, "It takes too much time for us villagers to go to the city. Will you help with your hammer to break a mountain that comes between the village and the city? With this, we will build a road in the middle, and the journey from village to city will become easier and shorter." Hearing the chief's words, Ram Gopal broke that mountain with that magical hammer. The chief and the people of the village were very happy and congratulated him. After breaking the mountain, while returning home, it occurred to the blacksmith that with this magical hammer, my work gets done quickly, but it is not getting much benefit. The blacksmith, immersed in this thought, instead of going home, sadly went towards the forest. In that forest, the same monk appeared again to Baba Lohar. The blacksmith told him everything that was on his mind. The sage said, "Its use is not limited to just making tools and utensils and breaking mountains. With this, you can make anything you want, and can break any difficult thing easily." Ram Gopal learned how to use that magical hammer from Sadhu Baba. After that, Ram Gopal earned a lot of money. Today, Ram Gopal has become a rich man. Even now, he uses that magical hammer whenever he feels the need. Lesson from the story: be it any object or mind, they should be used completely. Also, it is important to understand the value of the stuff you have. Being unnecessarily frustrated doesn't help.